Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, any kind of websites, the major import point is called XML sitemap. So in this XML sitemap, how we can download, how we can add the particular website, how we can update on the Google Search Console. So this method compulsory we have to follow this one. So first of all, XML sitemap download purpose, we have to use website name is called xml-sitemaps.com. So we can use this option. So here is a missing first. So don't enter the wrong URL. Sitemaps.com. And meanwhile XML sitemaps.com. In this one, which website you can update XML sitemap? First of all, create is major important. Add it. Here first option, they can add in three options. The three option include page lost modification. So when your website will be modified, so what are the crawl, recrawling, everything will checking for first option. Next one, page priority. Zero point zero is a low priority, 1 is a high priority. In this priority will decide particular generally in a use on your home page. Change frequency attribute. So how much frequently change the content? This all belongs to for third option. So in this option we can give by always. After this option, we have to start this option. So in this XML sitemap, we can download up to 500 is the free. Suppose I need more than 500 required, where we can download it. We can go to the pro option, or else we can go to nimtools.com. Here we can download the particular option will be there here. So this will be ad blocker is there, so they can't here. So in this we can check your option XML generator. Is XML generator up to will be I'll show in this nimtool option, not for 500. You can download the more than 500 option that will be suitable up to 5000 links. Up to 500 will be free in the XML sitemap. More than 5000 will be using for nim tools. Now click for start. My links will be less than 500. So I'll start with the XML sitemap. Download it. Now they will be start the priority. So if you come into HTML, PHP, WordPress, same procedure. In a WordPress, automatically will be updated using for all-in-one SEO pack. They're using for all-in-one SEO pack. So HTML, PHP compulsory we can update. So this is compulsory important onto the download XML sitemap. So these all features are major impact to the your particular option is called XML sitemap to crawl the new web pages on the Google search engine purpose. Now it completed download process will be start. Total how many links are there? The count will be visible in this XML sitemap after you can download the procedure. You have to wait for certain seconds. They download the links, they show your count and download the XML sitemap, upload on the cPanel option. In the downloading time, you can log in the cPanel. Total count done. Click for view sitemap and download it. After download, go to cPanel, file manager. The option is called public under HTML, upload here. In this previous file is there. You can remove that file also. Delete and add the new file using for download option. After download this option, we have to update on the in a particular Google Search Console. This is a very important. What are the sitemap we can upload on the website? Compulsory update by the Google Search Console where sitemap previous link is 131 links. New links sitemap.xml. Now is 131 is showing for here. After we'll go for refresh. Now will be only for 131 links will be there into the particular Gayatri Matacharali website. So this one we have to remove it. Now will be check, remove it, and here adding for sitemap.xml and click it. So it is coming to complete here 141 links. Sometimes it's not updating. Just we can remove one click and remove update the new link option. This is compulsory is important on website cpanel, and we can add in for Google Search Console compulsory important. Any link will be your inspection we can doing. The compulsory the link will be visible on the XML sitemap compulsory important. We can see the link will be there by XML sitemap. After that you can start indexing, and after we can setting for text live URL. So automatically the web pages index on the Google search engine list, and any search engine list based on XML sitemap. Don't forget HTML page website. We have downloaded and upload the cpan and update on the Google Search Console. In a WordPress, we can using for whether will be this also will be good, or else we can using for all-in-one SEO pack to update on Google Search Console is an important key point. Don't forget to update the Google Search Console. Any file update on the webmasters and website along with the cPanel. Without cPanel, we can't update by the XML sitemap file on your particular website. We can using for third-party tools like FileZilla, everything. Don't use the cPanel, update it and activate XML sitemap to the your particular website. Google crawl your web pages purpose. Guys, any doubts? If you ask me in the particular my channel, always I'll support you for your WordPress, PHP, HTML site. You can comment me, or you can connect with my channel, Rakesh Tech Solution, Digital Rakesh. So always will be support every option. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.